Hello, my name is Jocelyn. You've reached my Scofield Studio YouTube page. If you've listened to some of the HiTS exercises, we've gone a lot through seconds. So this is a continuation of it, but maybe a little bit more challenging. When you're walking up seconds, I was having do, re, this is another exercise, do, re, mi, fa, sol, and you like repeat it. And then I also have another exercise that goes do, ti, re, do, mi, re. So you're walking down each measure. This exercise does both. So it walks up, do, re, do, then walks down, ti, do. Then we go up, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, fa, and keeps going. La, ti, la, sol, la, ti, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, do. So with this exercise, we're walking up a step, going back to our original note, then walking down a step and then coming back. So it adds a little bit of both. It's not that much harder than any of the other two. It's just a little bit longer. So ba do 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 do. So we're gonna be in 4. Do 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 3 4. Do 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 3 4. Do 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 3 4, and so on. Okay, so I'm gonna play the melody and sing it as we do this. So do re do ti do, then you take a breath, and while you take your breath, I'm gonna give you the starting pitch of the next phrase that you're gonna sing. So you'll hear do re do ti do. This is your starting pitch. Then you sing. And so on. If you have a high voice, you're going to be here. If you have a low voice, you're going to be here. All right. 1, I have a high voice, so I'm going to sing up here. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, do, ti, do. Here's your next pitch. Re, mi, re, do, re. Next pitch. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Next pitch. Fa, sol, fa, mi, fa. Sol, la, sol, fa, sol. Walk down. Do, re, do, ti, do. This is your next pitch. Ti, do, ti, la, ti. Next pitch, la, ti, la, sol, la. Next pitch, sol, la, sol, fa, sol. Next pitch, fa, sol, fa, mi, fa. Next pitch, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Next pitch, re, mi, re, do, re. Next pitch, do, re, do, ti, do. And that's the whole exercise. I think this is what I'll play. So I'll just play a little bit of a triad. I'll sing this one with you. So I'll be the melody while I play this. So you get to hear it one time, and then we'll do it one time where I don't sing at all. Okay. If you have a high voice, you're up here. If you have a low voice, you're down here. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, do, ti, do. Re, mi, re, do, re. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Fa, sol, fa, mi, fa. Sol, la, sol, fa, sol. La, ti, la, sol, la. Ti, do, ti, la, ti. Do, re, do, ti, do. Let me start here again. Do, re, do, ti, do. Ti, do, ti, la, ti. La, ti, la, sol, la. Sol, la, sol, fa, sol. Fa, sol, fa, mi, fa. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Re, mi, re, do, re. Last one. Do, re, do, ti, do. So we'll do it one more time. I'm not going to sing along. I'm not going to give you your pitch, but I am going to go like this. Do, re, do, ti, do. I'm going to give you the chord before you sing it, and that'll give you your first note. So if I'm singing along, I'll go, ready, go. Do, re, do, ti, do. And then when the piano moves, I listen for this first note. Re, mi, re, do, re. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. So I'm always listening for the next note because the piano is playing it in the chord before I sing it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, Here's your chord, now sing. Here's your chord, now sing. Now we're going to walk down. Here's your chord. Last one. Do, re, do, ti, do. Okay, hopefully that's really easy for you. And let me know if this one helps you. All right, good luck.